Hello everyone. Today I will explain about variable declaration and scope of the variables and super global variables. So while coming to the first one, variable declaration. So variable in PHP is always begin with a dollar sign, so which is then followed by variable name. So variable names follow the same naming rules as identifiers. That is, a variable name can begin with either letter or underscore and can consist of letters, underscores, numbers, or other ASCII values. So ranging from 127 through 255. The following are the examples of variable declaration. So variable in PHP must be dollar sign in front of the variable name. So variables can be starting with characters, so or underscore, okay, or characters. So these are all examples of variables. So value assignments. For declaring variables, we can assign a values by using assignment operator. So dollar color equal to red. So variable color having the value of red. So dollar number equal to 12. The number variable having the value of 2. Assigning a values to the variables. Next one, reference assignment. So in this PHP 4 introduce the ability to assign a variables by reference. So which essentially means that you can create a variable that refers to the same content as another variable does. So you can assign a variable by referencing by appending an ampersand to the equal sign. So appending the ampersand symbol to the equal sign. So example, coming to the example, dollar value equal to value 1 equal to hello. So variable value 1 contain hello value. So variable value 2 equal to, so reference of appending ampersand equal to and ampersand equal to. So reference value of dollar value 1 variable 1. So value 2 equal to reference of value 1 means it prints the hello value only. So value 1 and value 2 both are equal. So if any change in the value 2, so it automatically reflect to the value 1. And another example, value 2 equal to goodbye. So it automatically changes to the reference of value 2 is the reference of value 1. It prints the automatically changes. So both value and value 2 in this example are goodbye. So reference assignment. Next one, variable scope. So however we can declare, so you can declare variables anywhere in the program. So the location of the declaration generally influences the realm in which the variable can be accessed. This accessibility domain is known as its scope. So the variables can be one of four scopes. First one, local variables, so function parameters, so global variables and static variables. So first one, local variables. Variable declared within a function is called local variable. So that is, it can be referred only in that function. When the function exits, the local variable has been declared. That variable and its corresponding value are destroyed. Once the function is exit, the local variable's value are destroyed. So example, $x equal to 4. X equal to 4. It is declared outside the function. So next one, function assign x. So within that we can create it x $x equal to 0. It is local variable. So printf inside the function is $x value is 0. So it prints the value of 0 because it is within the function. So local variables value. So next one, again we are calling assign x. So outside the function. So once the function is exit, here function is exit, the automatically the local variable will be destroyed. So outside the function, here the output is x value because we can declare globally. We can use anywhere in the. So within the local function, local variable can be destroyed after the exit of the function. Next one, function parameters. So we can pass the values at the parameters, function parameters. In this example, function extend, the value will be passed as a arguments. So this is called function parameter. Next one, global. A global variable can be accessed in any part of the program. To modify a global variable, it must be explicitly declared to a global in the function which can be modified. This is accomplished conveniently enough by placing a keyword global in front of the variable that should be recognized as a global. So we can declare the global variable $somewhere equal to 15. It is outside of the function. It is global variable. So if you want to use this global variable within the function by using global keyword, Okay, sub function, add it function, global somewhere. You can retrieve the global variable. You can increment by value 1. So somewhere is 16. The output of the value is 16. Okay, this is called global variable declaration. Static variable. So the final type of variable scoping is static. So in contrast, the variables are declared as a function parameter, so which are destroyed on the function exit. A static variable does not lose its value when the function exits also. It will still holds a value if the function is called again. So static variable, if the function exit also, it does not lose its values. It stores the previous values. So you can declare a variable static simply by placing a keyword static in front of the variable. In this example, function keep track function name. So static count equal to 0. So initially count value 0. So increment by 1. Okay, means it count by 1. So echo dollar $count value. So exit the function. Okay. Then we are calling functions. So keep underscore track. So we are calling function. So function will execute first time. So it count equal to dollar $count equal to static count equal to 0, increment by 1. So after first calling of the function, the output will be 1. So again we are calling second time. So means after the exit of the function also, the static variable does not lose its value. So its value, previous value will be stored in that variable. So previous value is 1. So one again we are calling back second time. So it iterates count equal to 1. So count plus plus means iterate increment by 1. The value of this second time calling is value 2. So third time again we are calling, the static variable stores the previous value. Previous value of dollar $count equal to 2. So then increment by 1. It is 3. So output of the this program is first when we are calling first time 1, 2, 3. So main basic difference between static and local variable. If it is not static keyword, so then it converted into local variable. Local variable, once the function is exit, then automatically function variable will destroy it. These are the scope of the variables. Next one, PHP. Main important one, PHP super global variable. So super global variables retrieve details about the current user session, so user operating environment and the local operating environment is everything it retrieves. So dollar underscore super is a super global variable. So in this example, we are using for each loop for retrieving the variables. For each dollar underscore server as variable and value. It prints the both key and values of the so operating system and environment, total environment. So learning more about server dollar underscore server super global variable. So we can retrieve dollar underscore server HTTP reference means the URL of the page will be retrieved. So dollar underscore server remote address means client address is retrieved. So dollar underscore server request URL means the path of the component will be retrieved. So using get method and post method. So the get method sends a encoded user information appended to the page request. The page and encoded information are separated by question mark. The page is separated with a question mark and encoded data. So name one variable having value 1 and values are separated by ampersand symbol. The get method produces a long string that appears in your server logs to the browser. So get method is restricted to only send up to 1024 characters only. So never use get method if you have password or other sensitive information to the server. So the get method cannot be used to send binary data like images, documents, everything. So by using get method, by using super global, by dollar underscore get associated array representation only, we can retrieve the variables. So next, retrieving the by using post method. The post method transfers the information via HTTP address. The information is encoded as described in case of get method. So post method does not have any restrictions on data size. Previously it restriction to get method 1024 characters. There is no restrictions in post method. The post method can be used to send ASCII values to the binary data. Okay, by using so associative array representation only by retrieving the dollar underscore post method. So cookies also we can use dollar underscore cookie is a also super global variable. It retrieves the cookie values. So files is a main important one. So files is a super global variable. So contain information regarding data uploaded to the server via the post method. So files are represented in 5 elements. So first it is a two-dimensional array representation. It has 5 elements. First subscript refer to the so name of the form, file upload from element. Second is a one of 5 predefined subscript values. First subscript and second subscript. Two-dimensional array representation. So in this dollar files of, so first subscript two-dimensional one day. So first subscript upload the file name is common for all. So remaining are 5 subscript. First one name. So returns the name of the uploaded file. So next one upload name type. So MIME type of the file uploaded file name. Next one size of the byte. So byte size of the uploaded file. Next one $_files upload name and temporary name. So it retrieves the temporary name of the file. So next upload manner and error. Upload name and error. So error upload error status. It has 5 status error status. So one is for successful. For uploaded and error underscore OK means the file was successfully uploaded. So the error initial size means the file size. This are remaining all 4 failure message. One is success message. Okay, success message. Remaining 4 are failure message. The file size exceeds the maximum size. So error underscore form underscore size. The file size exceeds the maximum size imposed by the maximum file size directive. So error partial. The file was partially uploaded. So error underscore no underscore file. The file not specified in the uploading the form. These are all about variables and super global variables. Thank you.